recovery phase of freestyle has two rules. Ensure you recover and do not disturb the pull phase of freestyle. In other words, do not disturb the previous steps you have implemented. After mastering the drill, catch position roll, and adding a breath, use the drill streamline to practice your recovery technique. If you have not yet mastered the drill's catch position roll and adding the breathing phase, check out our previous videos to learn these steps. To practice the drill streamline, implement the catch position roll and a breath as previously defined. Before moving your recovery arm, ensure that your forearm is flush to the midline of your torso and your catch position is held in a rotated, stable position. Very gently move your arm towards your head, moving in front of your chest. Your recovering arm will finish extended above your head. You will feel both arms in and out the water will be held in a similar position. Hold this position for 5 to 10 kicks. During the recovery, your head, leading arm, kick, and the position of your body should not change. You are conditioning your stroke not to be disturbed by the recovery. If you notice you begin to sink at any point during the drill, first check the stability of your catch position before and during the recovery. The second thing to check is the movement of your arm. If your arm travels behind the midline of your body towards your back, the body will lose balance and will begin to sink. Once you can implement a stable recovery, you're ready to add the pull phase. After holding your arm extended above your head, implement a catch position roll just as you did at the start of the drill. Your torso will rotate 180 degrees and your leading arm will pull under the water until your forearm is flush to the midline of your body. Notice the arm outside the water does not change position. The arm enters the water due to the body rotation. As the body rotates, the arm enters the water automatically. The arm outside the water should not implement extra steps to enter in a certain position. An entry is a product of torso rotation and arm extension. This rule also applies to fluid freestyle. For more Learn to Swim tutorials, don't forget to check out our Skillshare class and subscribe to our YouTube channel.